Hello everyone, I'm Administrative Specialist Lee Ji-hee Heng-jong-sa. Our firm helps foreigners apply for visas, make investments, and conduct business in Korea. Today I will explain how a person holding a D4 Korean language training visa can change their status to an E7 specific job visa. Under Korean immigration law, it is technically possible for someone holding a D4 Korean language training visa to change status directly to an E7 specific job visa. There is no legal clause that prohibits this type of transition. However, the practical review conducted by immigration offices is considerably stricter, and many applicants find that the actual process is far more complicated than the legal standard alone would suggest. The E7 visa is designed for foreign professionals who will work in designated specialized occupations in the Republic of Korea. To qualify, an applicant must meet one of the following conditions: holding a master's degree, holding a bachelor's degree with at least 1 year of relevant work experience, or having at least 5 years of professional experience in the field. All academic certificates and employment records must be properly apostilled or consular certified, and these verified documents play a crucial role during the screening process. The employer must also meet several eligibility requirements. The company needs to demonstrate sufficient revenue, have no outstanding national or local taxes, maintain the required ratio of Korean employees, and provide a salary that meets the minimum threshold of 28.67 million Korean won for the E7-1 category. The main challenge arises from the nature of the D4 visa. Since it is issued for the purpose of Korean language study, immigration officers tend to question the applicant's original intention when a D4 holder suddenly applies for a work visa. They must assess whether the applicant genuinely came to study or whether employment was the underlying purpose from the beginning. This leads to a stricter and more cautious review, especially for nationals of the 21 countries designated as high risk for visa violations. Because of this, most applicants follow a more realistic and effective pathway. They first study Korean under the D4 status, then move on to the D10 job-seeking visa to search for a job and prepare the required documents, and finally apply for the E7 visa once they have secured employment and meet all the conditions. In other words, the progression typically unfolds in 3 stages, beginning with language study under the D4 visa, then transitioning to job-seeking status under the D10 visa, and ultimately changing to the E7 visa after the employment contract and qualifications are fully prepared. Most importantly, once an E7 visa application is rejected, it becomes extremely difficult to reapply. So, for efficient processing, it is recommended to consult and apply through Heng-jong-sa. Feel free to contact us anytime. In the next video, I'll provide detailed guidance on the specific documents you need to prepare for your E7 visa application. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.